Anti-aging coffee mask, stronger than Botox. Fights wrinkles and fine lines and tightens the skin. Put 2 tablespoons of yogurt in a bowl. Yogurt reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Coffee is rich in caffeine, which moisturizes the skin and brightens its color. Mix the ingredients well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric works as a skin lightening agent for your skin. Turmeric brightens your skin tone and reduces any kind of dark spots and pigmentation. We will need lemon. Add half lemon juice. Lemon juice can help exfoliate dead skin cells and reduce excess sebum. Mix the ingredient well. How to use this recipe? Apply it to the skin of your face and neck. You can apply it to wrinkles around the eyes. Massage your skin with this mixture for 2 minutes. Leave it on your skin for 20 minutes until it dries. Then wash your skin with water. After washing the skin, moisturize your skin with a moisturizing oil or cream. Thanks for watching.